Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. Quick video. I am going through my room, throwing stuff away that I've been hoarding and keeping. And these Dylusion paints keeps coming back at me. Many of you know that I've tried to save these a million different ways, a million different times. And so now I'm just going through and I'm getting rid of the ones that are just plain icky. So I'm just going through and mixing them and seeing what I'm able to do. I'm making backgrounds for some pages that I'm going to be sending to my members. If you're interested in being in my membership, joining my membership, all my information is down below. But I wanted to do something for my members to send them, you know, a little piece of art from me to thank them for being my members. So I'm only able to do 4 here today because I can't fit everything on my desk. So I decided to do 4 pages today to test out these paints. And as you can see, it's just, I'm taking a palette knife and I'm just going and smushing paint on as my background for, you know, for my first parts, my first layer. And you can see, crappy, it looks like cottage cheese, can't do much with it, it's rubbery. I've tried everything. I have ones with alcohol, I have ones with water and blending solution, and not really, none of that really worked. So just going to throw them away. And usually I also save these containers, but I'm just getting rid of them. I can go to the dollar store and get containers if I need them, but yeah, so I don't know. Have you guys experienced any of this? Have you guys been able to save this? I know the last time that I did this, a lot of you were like me and had to throw them away, or some of you were able to save them. I could not save them. So it's just a matter of, I think I threw away, how many did I throw away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 9 I had to throw away, which sucks, but, and they're a nice paint. I mean, they're buttery, they're opaque, they're really nice. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to test them out, keep what works, and then I'm going to, when I do, like, I love doing, like, big abstract canvases and whatnot, and pouring, I'm obsessed with pouring right now. I can use it in that as, you know, them in that as well. So I'll see what it's like to put, you know, mix this with some pouring or Floetrol or pouring medium and seeing, you know, how it works out. These are thick, so they probably could take some pouring medium or Floetrol or whatever to thin them out, but I think they'd still be really pretty. So that's going to be my next test. I won't bore you with, you know, that on here, but like I said, I am obsessed with pouring lately. So I cleaned out my wine closet, and I got tons of canvases that I've started, and, you know, at the time I thought, oh, you know, I really want to paint these, but, or whatever, and I started painting them or painting pictures on them or whatever, and now when I look at them, not being finished, they just don't inspire me, so I'm going to be pouring over them and making these delightful abstract type paintings. So, you know, I love, like I said, I have the Dylusions in the bottles, which are more fluid than these, which I'll be using with the pouring as well and on bigger canvases, because, you know, I have my Goldens and I have my folk arts, and Deco Art, I believe is, yeah, Deco Art sent me a bunch of paint as well. So I have like all kinds of new paint here that I just want to get rid of some of my old stuff. And these blues, I love these blues. I only was able to keep one blue that actually worked, and then a purple. So And it's funny because the way I must have put them in my drawer, like kind of color wise, whether it be the cools and the warms, or I don't know what the heck I was thinking. But as I pulled them out of the thing, you can see like these ones, look at these colors. They're primary, they're bright, they're, you know, and then you'll see when I put up 2 more papers, when I go back to get the rest of my paints, they're much more fall colors, muted kind of thing. So, and I think I might, a lot of you like when I sit and film what I do. I usually put music to them, but I might, you know, do 1 or 2 on here and just speed through it, you know, if you're interested to watch or not. That's up to you. But I'm going to make them into, you know. Now I put them to the side, and I'm going to do the other colors. I was hoping I could get a nice print from that, but unfortunately it's rubber, and it just didn't. I mean, it's like, look at that. It looks like cottage cheese. And so, garbage. So I've been doing Weight Watchers, and I think this is our 3rd week we started. And I'm obsessed with fat-free Greek yogurt, pomegranates, granola, and half a banana. That's like my go-to, like, oh, she needs something. I say sweet, and it's not even sweet. I don't know why it satisfies me, though. And Emily is on a, her husband has her on these, like, I don't even know how to even explain what they are. They're Indian. It's an Indian recipe of soup with, oh, what are they called? The things in them. Crap. Mung beans, something to that effect. So he went to the Indian grocery store and bought all kinds of stuff. And so I made the soup for her yesterday. It's like fasting and herbs and like to help clean out her system with all the medication, and I don't know. But anyway, but the soup's not bad. She has to drink some sort of like tea that they made. I don't know. I'm not doing all that. But the soup is good. And apparently these Mung beans, MOONG, or Mung, I don't know, are like magical. And they like help you with diabetes and your weight and fluid and cleaning out your system and vitamin, like they're amazing. So I made it for her yesterday, and we even had a bowl at dinner with her because it's not a bad recipe at all, and it's like extremely healthy. So I'm gonna make more today because I feel bad. We ate her soup, so I'm gonna be making that today. And it's really good. It has turmeric and ginger and garlic and cumin, what's the other one? Coriander, carrots, celery, these mung beans, I don't know. Let me know down below if you've ever heard of these beans, mung beans. They're lately an obsession with me, but yeah, let me know if you know anything about them and what you know about them, and do you use them in any other, because I'm going to make me some and eat them on my salad. If they're that fantastical for me, I'll eat them on everything and anything. So to look at me, you can't tell I've necessarily lost like 6 pounds, but like I can see, like I always can tell in my stomach, like the top part, like underneath my chesticles, they are, it starts getting, I say flatter, but we all know my stomach ain't going back to the way it used to be before I got pregnant, but it starts getting like deflated a little bit, the bloatingness and that kind of thing. So I'm going to make more soup, and we're going to have some more today. Just have it with dinner, you know. She's having a hard time with the fasting and all. She said to me today, I might just try to eat like the soup a couple times a day, maybe have a tea, but I need to eat some sort of food, because her taking all the medicine she does, it burns her stomach, you know. So anyway, I just wanted to come on here and go through these and show you guys, and want to know, you know, if you guys have these paints and what what you've done, and have you thrown them away? Have you saved them in any way? And tell you about my Mung being obsession. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. If you'd like to join my membership, I would appreciate it greatly. It's linked down below, as well as other videos and all kinds of information. So I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.